Hey guys, Annie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with just glue. Whoops. Now, okay, I made a little bit of slime. This only gets a little bit of slime. It's right here. Like I said, it only gets a little bit. And actually, my friend Lacey showed me how to make it. So yeah, congratulations, Lacey. How about we get started? Okay, so you open up your glue stick. You will need a glue stick. But my advice, just make sure you're on, like, I'm doing this on my computer, so yep, that's the best spot to do it on. So yeah, so you take your glue, if you have no hair right here, just put the glue on there, rub some glue on you, so it looks, whoops, like, oh no, I got some hair on my glue. So it looks like this. Now, you just wait for a little while. You could like swing your arm around to make sure it gets air on it. You could blow it, like I do. Put the cap on your glue so you can save it for next time. Now you could do that. You rub it in a little bit. My glue has a little bit of stuff on it, and you could use white glue for it. You could use purple to make purple slime. Now I'm going to add this slime to my thing. I'm so sorry, that's my sister. Now, if it's a little bit sticky, it is a little bit sticky, so be careful. Okay, mine's not that sticky. So then after you do that, you peel it off of your skin. Like this. Just like try to peel it. If it's a little bit sticky, it's fine. You just gotta work it out. Add in a little bit of water. Just a little bit would be good too. So like you do this. And then it will look like that. At first, your hand will get a little bit wet, but that's fine. I haven't tried doing it on any other surface. You can if you want, but I'm doing it on my hand. 'Cause it's the best thing for me. Now, once you have it off, then you could do this and then just keep working it out, and then it's like that. But that's not the slime yet. Slime part's actually coming in. Okay. And then you just keep peeling it off. Now it may hurt if you're like 4 and under. You might want to use your parent's hand or something else, because it will hurt. It will hurt a little bit. I have a sister who's 4, and I have not had this, and she has not tried this before. I haven't shown her this method. So yeah, and I'm gonna be I mixed my slime in with it. So my slime looks like this now. Now it's a little bit sticky. You can go wash your hands. You can wash your hands too, so it's not that sticky. And remember, you can put a little bit of water in. So yeah. And then you can see like you got this on your hand still. That dried up looks like skin. Peel that off. Now don't throw it away. You can keep it and use it. Put it in your slime. Then maybe you'll have a big fin of slime. And I'll be right back. Sorry guys, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, guys. I gotta go. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.